The ENOMAKER 10W Laser Engraver Kit is a versatile tool that easily transforms your 3D printer into a laser engraver or cutter, providing an exciting new dimension to your creative projects. With wide compatibility, this module can be used with a variety of popular 3D printer models, including the Ender and CR10 series, making it a flexible choice for many users. Setting up the ENOMAKER Laser Engraver is a breeze, taking just 60 seconds to install without the need to alter any existing firmware, allowing you to quickly begin your engraving projects. This laser engraver is capable of working with a broad range of materials, from paper and leather to metals with a dark surface, offering extensive creative possibilities. Thanks to its high-precision engraving technology, the ENOMAKER kit can achieve a spot size as small as 0.06 millimeters, ensuring intricate detail in your designs. The robust 10,000 milliwatt output power of the laser ensures efficient and effective engraving or cutting, making it a valuable addition for hobbyists and professionals alike.